Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Mercury Cougar convertible in this beautiful red with white top and white interior. It was a real nice car, just had a complete mechanical and interior restoration, according to the seller, of a rust-free, low-production car. They only made 2,322 of the base Cougar convertibles in 1970. And includes engine and transmission rebuilds along with all new front suspension, brakes, and tires. And you get all that for the princely sum of $13,750 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And I thought that was a great buy. You had all the work done to it. You probably couldn't even do all that work to a car for that kind of money. And then you still have to buy the car to start with. So this one definitely ranks up there in one of the top buys, that's for sure. But as far as the Cougar went, production numbers, in 1970, that was the last year for the first generation Cougar, which went from 1967 through 1970. And it was also the lowest production year, 72,365 Cougars made in 1970. And out of that number, 49,479 were the two-door hardtops, 18,567 XR7 hardtops, and then two-door convertibles, 2,322, which is what this guy is, one of the 2,322 base convertibles. And then the XR7 convertible, they made another 1,997 of them. So basically just over about 4,200 convertibles made for the year out of the 72,000. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.